Hello, I with you. My name is Kayla Alejandra Piamonte, and today I will be your tour guide in this beautiful town of Mogotes. This is a beautiful town between mountains in valleys with a wide diversity of flora and fauna, a wide range of river, stream, sister, Tan Casteto, Aguirre, Boris, Attraction, Mogotes, yes. We free find the land with a beautiful trees and colonial architecture. Here we find this delicious sancocho and typical, yes, and typical sweets such as bocadillo de guayaba. In the in this place we find artefacts natural such as the wheel of the pine tree, a pool of crystalline waters which have a small four meters waterfall which in the incredible natural spectacle. Uh, Nearby is the Hollyverse, an impressive 120 meters the wind with high-risk activities will be carried out. Likewise, this huge hall is home to the Huacharos, incredible natural nocturnus birds that are Couture is by their bound plumage with small dots. It is said the exact of these birds from the holy is an unprecedented visual on the sound spectacle. Excuse me. There is also the well-known Waterfall and Majestic Waterfall where you can do some extreme sport. Mogotes is endo, undoubtedly a place to let journalists carry away with this connection with natural, a land full of historical and cultural attraction and the wild and aware native gastronomy experience so that people get involved their tradition. One moment, eh, one moment. Thank you.